Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Brood X Joseph University in Cincinnati. This year's group, known as Brood X, is the largest of the 17-year broods in both density and geographical area. And while the name may sound dramatic, the X is technically the Roman numeral 10 in this instance. Kritsky told USA Today. 30 March 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They may amass in millions in parks, woods, neighborhoods, and can seemingly be everywhere. When they are this abundant, they fly, land, and crawl everywhere, including occasionally landing on humans. After mating, female cicadas do insert and lay their eggs inside slender stems and twigs of trees and shrubs. 27 May 2020.
Take our lead.
The Brood X cicadas return in spring 2021 after a 17-year absence. Image via Wikipedia. The main damage that cicadas inflict on the landscape comes when female cicadas drill holes into slender tree branches, where they then lay their eggs. 1 April 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.